Have you guys been facing problem with your messages that are not syncing on Messenger? If so, this video is for you. But before I teach you guys how to fix that, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us start. First, open up your Messenger, and after you've opened it up, just go to your profile section right here and go to the settings. Now, to fix the messages are missing sync now error, what you'll have to do is go to privacy and safety, and after you're there, go under the security option. You will see end-to-end encrypted chats. Now tap on it and go to message storage. Now right there you will be able to just turn this button on, and after it's turned on, as you can see right here, you will just create a backup. And after you've just saved the key, there you can see on the bottom as it says that it will as you can see right there, that it will sync all of the chat history on other devices, and you can delete security methods using a keyboard. So what this basically does is it saves your iClouds, and it saves your messages on your iCloud, and it syncs it according to your devices. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can fix your messages and messages are missing, you need to sync now error. Now one thing that's I'll make you guys clear it is that you need to sign up for Apple, and without that you won't be able to do that. So this is basically a fix for just iPhones. So yeah, that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.